Next, exercise 1.3. Before that, always we are teaching sums, no? Just to refresh you, I have given one thought for you. Secret code for success. Just to try one more time. This is not for the sum, it is like a one thought. Secret code for success. Just try one more time. If you are feeling the generally mathematics now, many of you will feel tough, no? That's why I given. Just try one more time. If you are not getting second time, again just try one more time. If you are not getting third time, just try one more time. Until you follow this procedure, surely you can achieve in mathematics. The great scientist Edison also followed the same rule. This thought said by Edison only. Just try one more time. Okay. Now, now we will go the sums. Set operation. The first is union of two sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which are either in A or in B or in both. It is denoted by A union B. This symbol is called a union and read as A union B. A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Union means on shortcut I have given join. We have to join. Union means two also should join. See example A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am going to join this and this, like A section, B section we are joining now. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I joined all the numbers. Now you can answer 1 is here, 2 is 2 times, 3 is 3 times. Now already I given introduction video. In a set, the numbers should not be repeated. Okay. Next, see the diagram. A union B means yes, see, this is diagram named as A union B. Union means join. A diagram and B diagram I have joined. Understood? Next, intersection of two sets. Intersection means shortcut I have given common. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common to both A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B. This symbol is called like capital small letter N, no, that is called intersection. Like U, no, that is called union. And read as A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to X belongs to A and X belongs to both. We should have same. Look at here example. A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. A section also 2, 3 is there. B section also 2, 3 is there. So which is common, that you have to write a intersection. But here joining, if you are common, uncommon, everything you have to join. But here, which is a common alone, we have to write. Intersection means common. In the Venn diagram, you look at this is Venn diagram. This diagram name as a Venn diagram because this diagram found by Venn. The name is Venn, so they mentioned here Venn diagram. See here. So intersection means common. In this two circle, which is the common? The center part is the common. So I have rounded here. Okay. Next, the difference of two sets. Here given, I have given one clue here. Alone. See, if A and B two sets, the difference of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are in A, not in B. It is denoted by A minus B, or this symbol also, like fraction symbol also is called a difference. A difference B, and read as A difference B. This minus is, we should not read A minus B. A difference, this is not read A divided by B. A difference B or read. See, A difference B is equal to X is that X belongs to A and X not belongs to B. A alone, that's why I given alone. A alone, see, A alone, not B. Here B minus A, which is the first part, B. Here see, B belongs to B, not belongs to B alone. Okay, look at some example here. A minus B, now look at A alone, this A part alone. B part fully we have to avoid it, remove it. Only A part I have, sir. This also A, sir. No, this what is entering? B round is entering. So we should not consider B. And here also B minus A, na? B part alone. This A part should not touch. You want to remove this B part, A part. Okay. look at the example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 3, 5, 2, 7. Which are the common part? First you cancel it. 3 is common, 2 is common. Cancel it. A minus B, now what? A alone. What is the remaining part in A? 1 and 4. 1 comma 4. B minus A. B alone. What is the remaining part in B? 5 and 7. That's why they mention alone. Alone, not that part alone we have to keep. Okay? After cancelling. Next. Complement of a set. The given what? Without. The meaning is without. The complement of a set A is the set of all elements of universal that are not in A. It is denoted by, this symbol is called a dash. A dash or A power C na A complement. Both also same. A dash is equal to x such that x belongs to universal. And x not belongs to A. That's why it's given without. See here one Venn diagram I given. Without na A circle fully we should not consider, but remaining everything you have to consider. While coming dash, no. If you are seeing dash, first you see the shade the outside part. If you are seeing first you say outside part, that is dash. Okay. So A dash. Here we are not moving outside part because this is different. Difference means only inside you have to consider. Dash means you have to consider outside also without A. In case B dash na, this B fully we have to remove, only A plus outside you have to take. Okay, this is B dash. For example I will give. This is B dash. B dash na without, I mentioned without, no, without B. This B we should not consider, only A, and dash is there, no, dash means outside you have to shade it. That's all. Next, symmetric difference of sets. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is the set A difference B union B difference A. It is denoted by A triangle knot. This is called a symmetric. This symbol is called a symmetric B. A symmetric B is equal to x such that x belongs to A minus B or x belongs to B minus A. A minus A, here what? A minus B, B minus A, no? This answer if you are joining, what you will get? 1, 4, 5, 7, no? That is called a symmetric. This A minus B union B minus A. These two also you have to join. If you are joining 1, 4, 5, 7, you will get. That is called a symmetric difference. This delta, the triangle is called what? As symmetric. Okay? Thank you.